In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install CapCut app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up App Store. If you cannot find App Store on your home screens, then just swipe down at any of your home screens to bring up search, and then just enter App Store here. So that's how you can easily find the app via search. Once the App Store is open, tap right here to go to search, and then just search for CAP. Then tap at CapCut, so that's how we can easily find it. And now all we have to do is just hit right here. Actually, here we can see the open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone. But if you don't have it installed, it will say get here at this button, or instead of the button there will be the cloud icon. Just click on it to install the app. And when the installation is complete, you will be able to open up the app by clicking right here at open button, and also it will put CapCut app icon on your iPhone's home screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.